Joe, we're doing a PALS flight today. Tell me a little bit about what PALS is.
The simplest way to say what the purpose of PALS is would be if you woke up one day and found out that you had some affliction or your loved one had some illness which required you to go 200 or 300 miles away to another hospital in a distant city and needed to go there every week or every month for many months. Now the question is going to be, how am I going to get there and how am I going to pay for it? And both those answers are patient airlift services.
When we found out he had severe organ failure, they told us that he had about an hour to live and we had to make a decision whether to treat it for leukemia or HLH, and they said pray that it's leukemia because it would be a much better option for your son. And unfortunately it wasn't, but fortunately they chose the right treatment for him and he survived.
Center, good morning. Compassion Flight 7 Hotel Lima 260.
Action Flight 7 Hotel Lima, Washington Center, Roger, thanks.
Just within the last 2 weeks, he has made such a huge turnaround, and the doctors were just so unbelievable and unbelievably impressed with how far he has come. That's why we're going home. What? About these organizations until you actually really need them.